Hello everyone, welcome to another video tutorial. Today I want to show how to create contour line in ArcGIS. Let's begin. And first open ArcMap. We need to them, and first I should add them. I want to work on this area. First I want to smooth them for creating better contour, and open Arc Toolbox. Go to Spatial Analysis Tools, Neighborhood, select Focal Statistic, input raster, select them, specify a folder for this, write the name, smooth, save. Neighborhood, select a rectangle, change the height and width, then OK. For creating contour, open Arc Toolbox, go to Spatial Analysis Tools, Surface, select Contour, input raster, select them, smooth them, select a folder, write the name, contour, select contour interval, then OK. That's okay. Change the color of contour. Yes. Of them, change the color of contour, black. Okay. This is the contour of my study area.